Hey y'all, cooking, cutting up, keeping it real. Today in my kitchen, I'm gonna put together an easy crock pot meal that'll cook basically all day and be ready for dinner tonight. It's called Barbecue Orange Marmalade Chicken. You can also use this for meatballs. Anyway, very easy, but very delicious. And I think I'm gonna put mine over rice. You could put it over pasta or serve it by itself. And, you know, two sides. But I'm gonna take this chicken. And I am going to spray my my crock pot. You can use a crock pot liner if you choose. And I'm gonna lay this chicken in there. I have chicken tenders, and I think there's about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 13 tenders in this package. You could use chicken breast if you prefer. Let me toss that and give my hands a rinse. And this one's pretty economic too. It's not a break the bank dish. Okay, now I'm gonna take this orange marmalade. This is a 13-ounce jar. And I was actually cleaning out my pantry and I found that orange marmalade and I thought, I need to use that. So, that's what we're gonna have for supper. I'm gonna put that on the chicken. You could use sugar-free for this too, if you're somebody that's watching sugar. I'm just gonna kind of spread that around. Make sure it gets on every piece of the chicken. There we go. And I'm gonna add about a half a cup of water. I'm gonna use my jar to measure. So let's say half a cup, just to give it some moisture so that it doesn't dry out in the crock pot. Okay? And then I'm gonna use a let's see, 18-ounce jar of Sweet Baby Ray's. You can use what you want to. Again, you could use sugar-free if that's something that you would like to do. And I'm gonna put that in here. Almost. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna add a dash of red pepper to this. And I do mean a dash because mine don't like real hot, but I want it to have a little bit of heat. So I'm gonna add just a dash of crushed red pepper. And that is to your liking, or you can leave it out. But I think that'll give it a good contrast with that sweet orange marmalade, that savory barbecue, and just a little bit of red pepper. Low and slow, 6 to 8 hours. And I'm gonna serve mine over rice. Thanks for tuning in to Cooking, Cutting Up, Keep It Real. This is a good one. Bye y'all, have a good day. And 6 to 8 hours later, mine was more like 6.5. We have orange marmalade barbecue chicken in the crock pot over rice. One more little piece of chicken to it. There it is with green beans, and dinner is done. Let's give it a taste. Give this one a try. It's really good. You can taste the marmalade and the barbecue. A little bit of heat with the red pepper. Moist, delicious. Crock pot cooking. I love it. Y'all take care. We'll see you soon.